Hello, you are watching Doomleaf. In this video, we will be creating a product packaging design. We will design a logo, a custom character. After that, we will compose the design. And at the end of the video, we will apply our design to a mockup. Let's design the logo first. Here is the sketch of the logo. Now just lock the layer and add an extra layer above it. Let's trace it with the help of pen tool. I made the logo very curvy to give it a fun vibe. So just trace it. And you guys can tell me in the comment section if you guys want a full brand identity design video from scratch. And you can tell me that if I have to make video, a long video, or should I make the series of the video, like a video for a logo design and then a packaging and other stuff. And I want to say that my English is not very good, so if I say something wrong, then don't mind. Let's just adjust these. Now let's just adjust these curves. Now delete the sketch. And now we have to align those letters, so use these rulers. Now select both circles and align these. Now we have to fill the color. So I already have the color palette. So just use the eyedropper tool. And now we have to remove these little circles inside the letter O and letter A. And that's it. Now our logo is nearly ready, so let's move on to design a custom character for our composition. There is a sketch. Now lock the layer and add an extra layer above it. I am zooming in a little bit so we can trace the image properly. Now using pen tool, I am going to trace it. Let's change the color of the stroke. Now just trace it. Our character is very basic, so there is nothing complicated about it. Our hair part is ready. Increase the stroke and it's fine. Now I am using the circle tool, ellipse tool, to make these eyes. Now let's trace the nose. It's fine, I think. Don't worry about the colors. We will color our illustration after the completion of tracing. Let me just, they are not perfect circles. Now duplicate it.
Come on.
Now I'm tracing the ear and the neck part of the illustration. Now delete the sketch and let's just color our character. So here is the color palette. Now increase the thickness of these strokes. Also, we have to use a scissor tool to cut this, and using pen tool make it behind the hair so we can color this. So our character is nearly ready. The ear is slightly misaligned, so let's just adjust these. Round the smile or the stroke. Now use ruler. As you can see, the ear is not aligned, so just align. You don't have to be very precise. Okay, our character illustration is ready. it's time to compose. We already have designed the character and the logo. Let me just align these assets. Now select rectangle tool. And lock the layer so we don't select it accidentally. Now select rectangle tool again and choose these two corners and round these. Send it to back and change the color using eyedropper tool, and let's adjust it a little bit. Now just place some text. Now duplicate it and write pure. Natural. Let's just align these. Okay, fine. Let's change the color. And place the text here also. Certified by nature. Now change the color of this, same as the above one. It's okay. Now duplicate this text. Let me just adjust these. Let's group them first. Okay, it's fine. And now I'm going to create some blobs. You can use ellipse tool or pencil tool to create these blobs, but I'm using pen tool. If you guys are watching till now, then thank you so much. I will be creating amazing content from now on. You guys can comment and tell your suggestions. Now let's duplicate these blocks. Let's just reflect this first. Okay, this is fine. Add our design on a mockup. So here is the mockup. Let me just place our design over here. Okay, it's fine. Now press Ctrl plus S to save this. And let's change these adjustments. And if you guys really like the video, then you can subscribe to my channel. And you guys can tell me if you want a full video on making a visual identity for a brand from the scratch.